Hi everyone! Welcome to ViWizard's YouTube channel. Today, I'll show you how to download Audible Plus titles. These are the audiobooks that disappear when your Audible membership ends. But with ViWizard Audible Converter, you can keep them forever for your personal use only. Here's how it works. First, open the program and log in to your Audible account. Go to Preferences. Choose your output format and set the audio quality if you want. Then, pick a folder where your files will be saved. Click OK to confirm. Next, open the Audible Plus catalog. Find a title you like and add it to your library. Click the plus button in the bottom right corner and select that title. Then click Add to List. Press Convert to start downloading. When it's done, click the folder icon to open your output folder. Play the file with your media player to make sure it works.
This is Audible.
And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Audible tips.